Woo! Coming to watch you. Daddy's gonna be right next to you the whole time. Okay?
Kaylin's swimming all by herself.
Yep. Come on. Just jump in and go. Ready? Go. Come on. Come on. Kick them feet and them legs. Daddy's right here. Don't be afraid. There you go. Come on. It's warm. They're watching you. Come on. Come on, you're doing it. You're doing it. Come on. I'm so proud of you. Come on.
She's so excited.
Come on. Like this. Yeah. Like a dog. There you go. Yes. Oh, keep going. Bring your feet up. You go faster. See?
Oh, my baby girl swimming for the first time.
Come on, you're swimming all by yourself. Come on. Almost there. Almost there.
I'm so proud of you. Right here, though.
Come on, keep going. Keep paddling like this. Like that. There you go. Just water, it won't hurt you. Just water, it won't hurt you. Just water, it won't hurt you. Keep going there, so watch out for this. There you go.
Good job! She's so excited.